Water is one of our most important natural resources. Water covers most of the Earth's surface and is vital for all known forms of life. Only 2.5% of the Earth's water is fresh water, and 98.8% of that water is in ice and groundwater. Less than 0.3% of all fresh water is in rivers, lakes, and the atmosphere. And an even smaller amount of the Earth's fresh water is contained within biological bodies and manufactured products. So water plays a very important role in our life. We must know much information about water properties, composition, and how it behaves on the surface of Earth. Science that explores and studies all about water is called hydrology. Hydrology is a science that encompasses the occurrence, distribution, movement, and properties of the water of the Earth. Also, hydrology studies hydrologic cycle, a process of transporting water on the Earth's surface. This science is very important because the influence of water generates such phenomena as floods, storms, hurricanes. Then water affects the weather phenomena like rain, fog, snow, and many others. It is very interesting and important for our life, because this must be someone who explores and studies everything related to water. This professional called hydrologist. Hydrologists are explorers all about water. Its physical and chemical properties, composition, how it behaves on the surface of the water, and in the oceans, seas, and atmosphere. Not many people who know much about water, but hydrologists know. There is a college in Kharkov which teaches hydrologists. It calls Kharkov Hydrometeorological Technical School. In this technical school, future hydrologists are learn many interesting subjects like oceanology, hydrometry, geodesy, physics of atmosphere, and hydrology. Two most important subjects are geodesy and hydrology. Geodesy studies the bottom topography of rivers and the relief of riverbanks. Such devices as Nivelier, Theodolite helps geodesists in the work. Students of our technical school study their profession very diligently. They conducted the leveling survey. They plot and calculated plans and profiles of water and ground surface. Such devices like self-recorder helps used to expose the depths of rivers, oceans, and seas that important for shipping. So hydrology is a very important profession that helps people in life.